Wingardium Leviosa!
Are you ready to draw a cute, easy Ron Weasley? Now let's draw with me. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Little Pencil Draw. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Step 1. Start by drawing 2 big circles for the eyes. Leave some space between them. Inside each circle, draw another circle for the iris, the colored part of the eye. Now, let's make the eyes shine. Draw a tiny curved line for the nose. Below the nose, draw a big, happy open mouth with a little tongue inside. Next, draw a large curved line below the mouth to create the lower part of the face. Then add the ears on both sides. I'll start by drawing the top of his hair. Next, I'll draw the bangs on each side using these sharp, jagged lines. Follow along and draw exactly what I draw. Are you still keeping up with me? Want to know what the next video will be? Then make sure to stay with me until the very end. Add some small details to make it look real. Awesome! Now let's move on to the clothes. For the clothing, it is easier if we start with the collar.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Now, from the side of the collar and under the chin, I draw his arms symmetrically. And here is the curve of his body. Now, I add the details in his hands. I'll also place the Gryffindor crest here. Drawing his pants and shoes is easier than you might think. With just a few simple lines, I've drawn his pants symmetrically. And these are the curves of his shoes. Draw 2 cute oval shapes on the cheeks for a blushing look. Then color the rest of the eyes black. Leave the small circles white so the eyes look bright and shiny. And that's it. Now you can easily color your drawing by following the reference image. You did it! See? I told you it was super easy. If you love drawing with me, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Who do you think the next character is?
It's me.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.